What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Nash, and today we're going to be growing our Robinhood account from $200 to $1,000. Now, is this going to happen overnight? No, it's not. I don't know how long it's going to take, but we're going to do this trading options only, right? At first, I'm going to stick to the basics, essentially buying calls and buying puts, sometimes maybe even selling puts. So we're gonna stick to those basics. As we move on, as we make more money, we're gonna be doing more complicated options, because Robinhood allows you to do anything really. I tried doing this with Fidelity, but they would not approve me for, level 4 or level 5, I don't know. But Robinhood allows us to do it. So everything is gonna be in Robinhood. So last night I transferred $200 into my Robinhood account. So I actually traded the first option today, which is what I'm gonna be showing you in a little bit here, so you guys can kind of like get the strategies that I'm using. But I'm assuming that you guys already know how to trade the options or have an idea. If you don't, let me know in the comment section below. If I mentioned something that you want to know, I'll make a video on it. Let me know in the comment section below. But with that being said, the strategy is simple here. Like I said before, we're going to start off with the basics because we're starting off with $200, right? So the basics is usually going to be buying calls or buying puts. That's what I'm going to stick to for now until we can grow the money to a sizable amount. And the reason I say this is because with $200, you can only do so many things, right? If you're trying to get, let's say you're trying to buy a put or a call, you have to pay a premium, right? And if you're going for, a risky trade, which will probably give you more money, or if you're going for the bigger companies like Tesla, the premium is gonna be a lot more than $200, right? So starting off with $200 is really gonna limit your options. So we're gonna be sticking to the basics for now until we have a lot more money, and then we can do more complicated options. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and hop into my phone, and I'm gonna be showing you exactly what I did today. All right, as you can see, guys, on the top here, if we're looking at some of my transfers, there's $187.73. So with that money, and the additional money that was already in the account, which was about $12, that was exactly $200, as I'm about to show you right here. All right, so let me go ahead and go to my account. So as you can see here, I started off with $200. You can see the line is flat because this was deposited last night, so I wasn't trading, here. That's why it's only $200. So I'm using the SPY ETF, so SPDR, S&P 500 ETF, if you want to check that out. This is essentially an ETF for the S&P 500. So you can see under October here, you can see that this is October 7th, which is today's date. And I think I'm going to be posting this video today as well, so that is not outdated. But the first thing I did in the morning is I went ahead and bought a put, right? So I bought a put for the S&P 500, and let me go ahead and open this up for you. So as you can see, I bought this, and with a strike price of $439. So essentially, when you buy a put, you're betting that the stock is gonna go down. When I was looking at the market this morning, I saw that the S&P 500 was trading really high, and I knew that in a few hours it was gonna be going down to settle at its natural price with a strike price of $439. And in order to buy this put, I had to pay a premium of $173. So if you look at the quantity, it says one, which is one contract, right? That's how much one contract cost me. So one contract is made up of 100 shares of any stock, right? As you can see here, a couple hours later, if you look on the second one here, I went ahead and sold the put. So if I open this up, you can see that this is a sell. And if you go all the way up here, you can see that the limit price was $2.35. And if you multiply that by 100 shares, because a contract is made up of 100 shares of a stock, we get $235. So that gives me a gain of about, I believe, 60, let's see here. So it gives me a gain of, let's see if I can go back to the beginning. So it gives me a gain of $61.98. I could have sold it for higher, but I'm trying to manage my risk, right? I'm not trying to lose all that money since we only have $200. All right, so after that, I decided to buy a call. So when you buy a call, it means that you're betting that the stock is gonna go up, right? And this is because when the market was about to close today, the stock was going down. That's why I made money by buying a put. Since the stock price was going down, I was expecting it to go up, right? So what I did was I went ahead and bought a call, which is essentially betting that the stock is gonna go up. As you can see on the top here, it is, let me open it up. So I bought a call, and you can see that the price was $1.53. So you multiply that by 100 shares, because one contract is 100 shares, I would get a price of $153. So that's how much I paid in premium. So essentially, I'm betting that the stock is gonna go up. If it goes up, we're gonna make some money. So this is still open. The goal is to sell it tomorrow if the market is up, or cut my losses, because this option expires on Monday, which is next week Monday, which is going to be the 11th, I believe. So that's when it's going to expire. The goal is to sell it tomorrow. I'll make a video this weekend if I do happen to sell it. But if the market is going down and I think it's going to go up on Monday, I'm going to be holding on to this option and see what happens on Monday. But that is pretty much it for this video. I want you guys to note that I never said I was doing any research. So if you want to do this, if you want to trade options and things like that, you have to do your own research. But that is pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this. And part 2 is going to be coming out this weekend, next week. I don't know. It depends on how many trades I do. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.